This creamy Tuscan chicken is so rich and packed with flavor. You'd think it takes hours, but it's ready in just minutes. 2 chicken breasts, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, minced, 1 cup heavy cream, ½ cup grated parmesan, 1 cup spinach, ½ cup sun-dried tomatoes, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste, Italian seasoning, optional. Heat olive oil in a pan, season chicken with salt and pepper, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. Remove from pan. In the same pan, sauté garlic for 30 seconds. Pour in heavy cream, stir in parmesan, sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. Simmer for 1 minute until creamy and spinach wilts. Return chicken to the pan, coat with sauce, simmer for another 30 seconds, and serve hot. Best served with pasta, rice or crusty bread.